water level of rivers recedes after rain stops, but displaced flood-affected people in many places continue to suffer. Senior advocate Khaidem Mani draws Chief Minister Nongthongban Birren's attention to rising crimes against women in Manipur. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit not happy with the progress of work at Moree Trade Center. Anti-Malaria Month 2017 and Manipur Malaria Elimination Campaign kicks off today at RIMS. And Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates one of the biggest Vishal mega marts in the northeast at Chimino. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica with the latest news updates. The water level of major rivers receded in many places after the rain stopped. However, the displaced flood-affected people continue to suffer. The incessant rain, which lashed the state for 2 consecutive days, raised the water level of the Imphal River in the state capital. The river overflowed, leading to erosion of river banks in several areas, inundating a number of houses, displacing the families. Properties were also damaged by the flood. Kurai was badly affected by the flood. 5 houses on the bank from Kurai Puthiba to Kurai Konsam Lekai were swept away by the flood yesterday. People in the localities filled the affected areas with earth using JCB. The roads are in a deplorable condition and the people are facing great inconveniences at the moment. A relief center has been opened at Kurai Puthiba Lekai Community Hall for the affected families. Only 4 families are taking shelter at a relief camp and more are expected by this evening. People have been trying to repair the river bank since last night to prevent further damage by the floodwater. IFCD sources said till this afternoon water level has receded by 75 points. Speaking to Impact News, the people told their inconveniences due to the absence of proper shelter and food and appealed to authorities to solve their problems.
Hujikse akhoi yamna ware ngasai pochai mayam amju thumjangrabanina ado moina ju ising je patho e haidana yumju khudak khudak te moina je spi toroga moina ju thudek pira adegi akhoi huji inong nong na sagachagi ba yumni adi yam wana ju ai yamna awaba mayam amaju ai puraga lakhi ai isamakse ado ngarang nahan da ju khoi accident lamda mi ma ai gari na sobadagi lagi dadana ai yam wari bane asigi mathak ji yumji ju ai thamari manga da ngaijari aina foundation toroga chajabase
khudaki oina yumji tekpanina laifam chafam lejadaba khoi di ising thaknaba leitre chanaba chengcha ke awaba oire de yum leitabani ri kem di hangbi local MLA na ko hangaga su khudaki oiba awaba dumade akhoi da atoke matik po nungsibidana locality gi oiba dagi MLA gi sarkar gi mage dagi su amuhana je khunda leitaba yana ba process tum tangdi sinbiu haiba poche akhoi mayangi mafamda thamjaningi MLA gi mafamda su chief minister gi mafamda thamjaningi tawadamaktabu hoji hoji ki oiba awaba se sigi damakta mating kitang su panganingi.
Senior advocate Khaidem Mani today also drew the attention of Chief Minister Nongthongban Birren, who also hold a home portfolio to the increasing crimes against women in Manipur. Addressing media persons at the office of Old Manipur Bar Association's building at Cherab Court Complex, Khaidem Mani cited the recent shooting of a woman named Santi in Moree on May 22nd and the twin murders at Uripok Bachaspati Maninglekai on the 30th of last month. He asserted that the Home Department should pay serious attention to these crimes. The senior advocate also expressed his concern at the happenings after the death of a woman in Moree. He says the report about police arresting 2 persons with guns and the CO of Assam Rifles posted in Moree preventing the police from taking them to Imphal raises doubt about the Assam Rifles' involvement in the crime. He maintained that the report of Assam Rifles personnel collecting the empty cases after the firing also make people think if they are working hand in glove with those cadres under the suspension of operation. Khaidem Mani said Manipur police needs to be reformed and it is necessary to look into the process of investigation into the case.
FIR Lokataba Adugumba police na mi hatkiba unknown person sing to Tinana Bohonabada, Ma Assam Rifle na interfere to ba place of occurrence mafam se masidegi kathok karaba tongning ado Assam Rifle ki miyoi singna khonggatli kaina hairiba kholiba mayam se masina koriguma chumma taragadi yam tasengna phattaba pot ama oireba Assam Rifle na sugi kangbu se sijinaraga mohoigi yanadaba mi hatokpa armed forces ke mayokta ngangakadaba singsi hatokpa aduga pasat tanbada sinaba leirabra haibasi yam chaungna chingna yama oire.
Representatives of People's Action Committee (PAC) formed against the murder of Soram Lakhipiari and Iringbam Ongbi Monica have urged Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren to solve the twin murder. The PAC also demanded setting up of a fast-track court for speedy trial of cases of crimes against women and punishment to culprits involved in the crimes. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, convener of the PAC, Hijam Bikramjit, says the Chief Minister has given assurance to set up a fast-track court in the state. He added the dead bodies of the mother and daughter will not be claimed until the culprits are identified. It may be recalled that Soram Ongbi Lakhipiari and her daughter Iringbam Ongbi Monica were murdered by unknown persons on the evening of May 30 at Uripok, Bachaspati, Maninglekai.
Paraba Mioesi Koina fast track court Nupi Katangi crime against women have a crimes sida fast track court amaka lingbiu ana akon demand tok jabani hek parba potas kanosi heng to ba bagi kanoda fast track court se pudhobiu sine koin hajare demand se honorable CM na ju masi yam tuna akoi tawnaba tawjarage tabudabu high court ya yabam khak lawi ado akoi ngasi heyeng sida hek ngami make honaraga fast track court amdi lingage habigi akoi da insurance am khak thambiri.
All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association has condemned the twin murders at Uripok, Bachaspati, Maninglekai and killing of Arambam Shanti in Mori. In a press release, the association demanded punishment of the guilty in the murders. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit today inspected works at the Mori Trade Center. The minister expressed dissatisfaction at the progress of work at the center. He inspected the construction of kitchen, washroom, dining hall and other rooms. Biswajit says tourists will not be attracted by the present condition of the trade center. He directed the officers to complete the construction of the kitchen, washroom and dining hall as soon as possible. He also says the Mori Trade Center will be reconstructed very soon. He was accompanied by MLA D. Korungthang, ADC Chairman Lu Khosei Zhou and officers of Mori Police during the inspection. Mahakumbha Bisikham Puja, one of the important festivals of Tamil living in Mori, concluded yesterday. Taking part in the festival, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assured the people that the road and bridges of Mori will be repaired very soon. He said measures will be taken to develop industries, trade and commerce in consultation with the ministry concerned. Biswajit said Mori is a place inhabited by different communities and wished that the puja will bring them together. The celebration began at Sri Angala Parameshwara and Sri Muneshwara temple from May 29. Over 1,000 people, including people from North and South regions of India and over 600 people from Myanmar, Thailand and other countries attended the celebration.
नदर यूनिटी लेबिसना कोई स्ट्रेंग हैंग बेहली अदु मचेल मचेल लागे हक तक तौ गिबदि पुंजन गदबनी हायदना मखोय जे पुल्ल कांद पुन्ना लेमिनर कांद अंगतपा कनो शक्ति एम फंगा कांद अखोयन ngasi लागे हक तक लेरको पुनमक से अखोय जु ngasi मफम से लेरिबो पुनमक चिंगजे अखोय पुन्न पुंजल लेर कांद कोई शक्ति दो पुन्न लेमिनर कांद डेवलप तौबा ओरो नदरगा पुनमक हिरम खुदिमकता ngangani amadi शांति पुरकनी शांति लेरगदी मफम असिदा मी करदे मत कांगलो खुदिमकता अवाब लेरोय.
Domicile certificate, permanent residence certificate, caste tribe class certificate will be issued by DC and the Revenue Authorities Imphal S district within 7 working days from the date of receipt of the application. An official press release said maximum period for processing an application shall be 7 working days from the date of receipt of the application, but can be completed within 8 working days if the applicant fails to produce documentary proof in support of any claim in the application form, which shall be established through field inquiry. Anti-Malaria Month 2017 and Manipur Malaria Elimination Campaign kicked off today at the mini auditorium of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. The campaign is organized by State Health Society, National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, NVBD-CP, Manipur. Parliamentary Secretary of Health and Family Welfare S. Subhash Chandra released the campaign's pamphlet on action plan and roadmap for malaria elimination. Additional Director of NVBD-CP, Government of India, Dr. Adesh Kumar said India has determined to eliminate malaria by 2020. He emphasized the need to start district-level elimination campaign as well as in order to completely eradicate malaria from the state. He said the centre is extending all possible support to eradicate malaria, but the state government has a big responsibility to make the mission a success. The event was also attended by Additional Director of Health Services Dr. H. Ranjit and Additional Regional Director of Regional Office of Health and Family Welfare Dr. N. Inauba on this.
Malaria is Manungi to Dona Valley study. I am a later Khalidu. Singi and the single external in Malaria can actually sing the Yamba. Me and Son about Prime Minister, me and Makada, the Honorable Minister, and I could be sing Salo Hayana, passing this now to Malaria, they tell away to Kuntana. So, what's all of you say, department, doctors, the staff in a Equida suggestion to Viva. Implement the security.
A special drive to enroll left-out electors 2017 under the theme No Voters Will Be Left Behind will be organized from July 1 to 31. DC Senapati District Athem Muivad today told media that the special drive aims at increasing enrollment percentage in the age group of 18 to 21 years, registration of disabled persons of 18 to 21 years age group, and removing the names of deceased persons. A team of Churachandpur police led by Additional SP Law and Order M. Khongsai arrested one ZRA cadre who assaulted a constable of Border Security Force. The ZRA cadre is identified as Thangzagam, 32, son of Daukhozam from Pangalian Singhat, Churachandpur. The team arrested Thangzagam from Phaibatang camp of the outfit. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Mahut's Minister Thaunawzam Shyam Kumar today inaugurated the 199th Vishal Mega Mart at Chingmairong. This is one of the biggest Vishal Mega Marts in the Northeast region. Wangkai MLA Okram Henry and Vice Chairman of Manipur Infrastructure Development Agency M. Ashni Kumar also attended the inauguration. Chief Business Development Officer of Vishal Mega Mart Radhakrishnan says the 5-storied mart, including an inbuilt parking lot at Chingmairong, shall provide the right and affordable products to the people of the state. The mart will provide different products at cheaper prices. He also said efforts will be made to export indigenous and local products outside the state through the mart. Radhakrishnan asserted that the mart will also provide employment to local people.
So regarding the local employment, we have already 60 people employed here directly, other than housekeeping and security staff. Apart from that, we will be providing indirect opportunities to another 200-250 people. So this store at least will create 300 plus employment for the local. So we will continue to contribute to the economy of Imphal as well as Manipur. We want to open more such stores in Manipur with the help of you all and also with the government, and give more and more employment opportunity to the people of Manipur.
Chaos erupted in Kumbi High School in Bishnupur district following the appointment of a headmaster in charge of the school. The school already has a headmaster in charge. Members of Mairapaibi clubs and school garden condemned the government's order issued on May 15 appointing K.H. Sarad Chandra from Wangu as the headmaster in charge of the school. General Secretary of Kumbi High School Parents Committee says they have been urging the state government to send more teachers to the school.
Oja Sachandra Wangum Sung Sagangdagi remark later Tabira Oja Sachandra Joina, government high school headmaster Oina, Tabia, Masia Ikoina, Parents Committee Games, Chata Satri Singi, Mapa Mama Oma Oina, I call Masi Singaya Zaninde, Haibo Ozasi, Mapamsida, Oja headmaster Oina Tambiganu, Adu Luna, Walibo Ozasisu, Atumatamda, I call government high school Tabia.
Socialist Students Union Manipur held a poster campaign urging the CBI to investigate into the Loktak scam. The volunteers of the union pasted posters in different parts of Imphal city to highlight the demand for CBI investigation into Loktak's multi-million scam. Secretary of the union Norem Tanoranjan said they condemned the silence of the new government on the matter.
Loktak gift ka saba yung kya may thakhaga achoba chenya mama hurang khiba lengana achoba chenya mama hurang khibdugi matang da mara leiba sing CBI da tigar handuna athuba matam da myang khana serak piu haiba khongjang asi socialist union manipuna mamang thakgi hona changsin lakli adubo handak paliba lenga asina su akhoi wafam se tabi bangi mota na thaiduna thamli aduna akhoi na tumina thupi mahuta Mara labor sing to serak pi no socialist union manipuna our fight against the corruption haiba timasi manung channa CBI da haiba lokale multimillion scam gi watho ji sinanna ba amadi mara labor sing to serak pi na ba khongjang asi changchan ba hujrak pani lenga asina su chapchaba thabak lokalakti phaba koi khongjang asi hanbal lairoi
Quest workers who are employed at Manipur State Power Development Corporation Limited MSPDCL for the last several years held a sit-in at the gate of Imphal Electrical Division 2 Lamphale demanding adequate pay. The protesters displayed placards at the sit-in organized by All Manipur Quest Union. All Manipur Surrendery Welfare Association AMSWA reiterates that surrenderies in Manipur are living in a pathetic condition as they have not been provided any welfare scheme as assured by the government till now. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Secretary of AMSWA Moirang Them Thambal says on July 20, 2012, around 73 cadres of underground outfits surrendered along with their arms to the government. On that day, the government assured of rehabilitating them. One-time payment of 3 lakh rupees at the completion of 3 years of surrendering was announced and monthly stipend of 4,000 rupees was also agreed. Thambal said except for 2,000 rupees given on the day of surrender, no other assistance have been provided by the government. He said they are happy to learn that Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren announced to increase the monthly stipend from 4,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees.
Mangiba mayamdu de koina thiba ngamaroi huje huje aikoi present oiba aikoi di mafam chana aikoi asuki matik ware mafam chana chief minister na mafam chana sinbi duna aikoi gi one time payment amadi association da leori je si je khaktang mayam je chief minister na sembi ba si khaktani aikoina pamjari je laibam numam sinbi ba dagi aikoina wana leli je amtang yingbi ba si khaktani aikoina haijaning ba
Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board organized one-day awareness program on welfare benefits of building construction workers and unorganized workers at Nompok Ningtho Panthoibi Sanglen, Nompok Sekmai, Santipur Bazaar. Thokchom Zosila, wife of Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, also spoke at the awareness program. She urged the workers to avail the benefits provided by the government.
Paisasing natraga akhoi kanaba akhoi phamam thopa ana yekda punamak laktuna leirabani isagi phamam topa akhoi na phamba akhoi na honaba haibasidi akhoi gi thauni sigi paisase hoji laktuna leirabani akhoi gi damakta mayam gi damakta ado sikaram kanda phangani haiba kanda akhoi na sigi labor card se saba kanda.
Concerned Women Forum for Self-Upliftment CWF-SU celebrated its 34th Foundation Day at Singjamai Top Lekai Community Hall. An awareness program on nutrition and health education for adolescent girls and newly married women were also held as part of the event. Resource persons spoke about the importance of timely initiation of breastfeeding by mothers. Petrol price has been raised by 1 rupee 23 paise per litre and diesel by 89 paise a litre in sync with rising international fuel rates. The new rates came into effect last midnight. Announcing this, Indian Oil Corporation says the rates have been hiked excluding local state levies or VAT, and actual increase will be higher depending on tax rates. On May 16, petrol price was reduced by 2 rupee 16 paise per litre and diesel price by 2 rupee 10 paise a litre. Now news from the world of sports. Chingthang Lairembi Kang Association Nambol defeated their rival in the second league match of the 62nd Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial League cum Knockout Open Kang tournament. In the second league match played today at Singjamai Kangsang, Singjamai Namairapam Lekai organized by Singjamai Kangkhut under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association, Chingthang Lairembi Kang Association Nambol defeated Singjamai Timbi Kangkhut 17-10. Gopaldev Kangkhut Yai School will play LSK EP Wangoi Kangkhut tomorrow in the third league match of the tournament, which kicked off on May 30th. The selection trial will be held for sub-junior boys team of Imphal West District Football Association. Imphal West District Football Association Technical Committee selected 52 boys from football units and clubs affiliated at the association for the second round selection trial. The association in a press release asked the manager and coaches of the selected players to report on the 3rd of this month at 7 AM at Kumanlampag Artificial Turf Ground. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Water level of rivers recedes after rain stops, but displaced flood-affected people in many places continue to suffer. Senior advocate Haidam Mani draws Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren's attention to rising crime against women in Manipur. Works Minister Thongam Beshwajit not happy with the progress of work at Moray Trade Centre. Anti-Malaria Month 2017 and Manipur Malaria Elimination Campaign kicks off today at RIMS. And Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates one of the biggest Vishal Mega Marts in the Northeast at Chingmayu.